video and stream. I wanted to go over a new Level Up app that I'm working on and some more concepts and features with the sports app and the Greater Good app. Hope everybody been doing good. I know for Facebook I haven't been on for a little while, so hope everybody been good. All right, 1 second. I'll share this with you guys. Okay, so this is the Level Up app. And what the Level Up app is basically about is allowing you to level up different aspects of yourself and different things in your community and the world to try to make yourself better and more efficient and try to make your community and the world better and more efficient. So let's see. I'm going to ask it to give me some sample data so we can see this a little better. 1 second. I also have to add a couple more features. Like right here, you have activity logs and you have things like physical fitness, mental intelligence, emotional fitness, community service, environmental stewardship. And all these different categories are like different aspects to yourself, which you can see right here, the aptitude matrix. You got physical fitness, mental, all the things I said before. And it's all about improving yourself and improving your community and your environment. So you'll go here to physical fitness, go to log action, and you choose physical fitness here. Action is different, different types of things you can do to increase your physical fitness. So I'll just do push-ups. The rep count, we do 25, and then you can give a description. I'm going to add a timer here. I'll add a timer so you can see how long the workout or whatever you did, how long it took. And I also need to add a lot more stuff as well. So I'm going to give a prompt to Replit the upgrade and change some things. But this is just how it is for now, generally speaking. And transmit data. And it got it right here, physical fitness push-ups plus 10 XP. So you gain XP. So you gain XP and you level up. And there's also like a leaderboard as well. So let me go into the prompt and upgrade this a little bit. What else did I need to add? on this. I'm adding the timer. Oh, some sample data. Okay, I'm having to add some sample data, and it was some other stuff. Goals achieved. They call it sectors. For where is it at? Yeah, sectors right here. So this is basically the different sectors or things in your community that you can add to level up and invest in. So this kind of is very mundane right now. It just has city, neighborhood, park, forest, river, ocean. The idea is you level up your city, your neighborhood, your park, your local nearby forest, or even if it's in another area, you can like donate or do something. Rivers and oceans, we want to clean them up and upgrade their level, get everything in the green. Um, so I do need to tweak this some, but you will go to initialize sector, and then you will enter the name, the sector type. So I'll do Philly city. Coordinates and descriptions. See, this needs more. This definitely needs more. Register sector. Okay, okay, all sectors. Okay, Philly level 1 sector integrity, active directives, intersector. Um Tactical analysis, participate in city council meetings, support local businesses, report infrastructure issues, join neighborhood watch, attend community events. Now I would want this like join neighborhood watch. You click this and it takes you to the Greater Good app and you join the community neighborhood watch, something like that. So I have to figure out a way how to double link this and synchronize everything through Replit. Um, yeah, but this is pretty cool. Add new directive title, test parameters, XP reward value. Okay, that's cool. Failed to issue. Oh, I think it might be bugged right here. Okay, so I gotta get that fixed. So the sectors isn't too bad. Hmm. I would just want more things but the sample data should show me a lot more. So adding directives, I couldn't add the directive with the sector. I gotta put that in Replit also in the prompt. Okay, I just entered the prompt. It's gonna make some changes for me and we'll get going. So yeah, this is it. Level up, Apps for the Greater Good, that's the LLC. Level Up Humanity, Command Your Potential. Welcome to the central nexus of all human progress. Track your physical, mental, and emotional evolution while elevating your community and environment in real time synchronization. Personal evolution, sector restoration, global sync. So I want to get this thing going, get this working so we'll all be leveling up. I want to have it where there's a way we can possibly make some money, get a tax write off, whatever. Just make this like a net positive, like a profit, a net positive. Um, develop a system where people are doing good things and living a good life and they're being rewarded for it, and they also have an incentive to keep doing that and do it more, like improve more. um so I think if this is done correctly, we could just have everybody leveling up. We'll have our communities in the world leveling up, and it'll be a much more positive um world to live in. Like we can still have competition and things get better, but the whole like the violence and the negativity and the hate towards one another, that's not good. That kind of corrupts and taints life. We can have good competition and get better, but like actually hating and suffering, we want to try to minimize that as much as possible. So that's definitely the goal here. So Replit is still working on these few changes, and then we'll get back to the app and we'll go through it some more. But I think it did a good job on what I wanted, how I wanted it to look. So it looks nice. Oh yeah. Okay. So user status. Okay, that's another thing I wanted to change. Okay, I got the prompt now to fix things and upgrade it a little more. I think I got a good prompt for it. It's still it's still updating things from my last prompt, so I'm gonna let that finish. And it should be providing some sample data as well. I think this next prompt I'm gonna give it is gonna make it look a lot better. Okay, it's finishing up. I can't wait to see this next prompt I put in. I want to see how it's gonna look. Okay, 1 second. All right. So here we go. This is some test data in here now, I believe. Is there? Okay, yeah. Test data for activity logs, different things people put in. Mentor someone, 1 reps, 1 hour, community service, weekly mentoring session with a team. Um, we should be able to click on these and maybe see more details. Yeah, these should be clickable and show the details. But this looks pretty good. Yeah, you can enter the sector on here, but the activity logs, I don't see where you can enter the activity logs. Yeah, but this looks good. Okay. I just entered the prompt. It's a pretty complex one, but hopefully it does a good job. It should turn out great. It's been doing good so far. Yep, this is a big upgrade. Let me explore the current code base to understand what we're working with. Then I build it out comprehensively. All right, great. So this next prompt I put in, uh, I wanted to display avatars and its stats and the characteristics, actually display them and show them and make it look good. So with this next one, we should actually see little avatars and see stats and everything for them. So I'm trying to think what else. I'll probably go to the sports app or the greater good app after this. Um, I gotta figure out how to link these apps together though, cause that'd be crazy. Yeah, it's just finishing up with the changes. Yeah, it's still finishing up on the changes. This looks pretty cool though. I like how they did this. The aptitude matrix. But we can make it even better though. And we're going to. We're gonna make this even better. So yeah, it's finishing up with the changes from the prompt I put in. 1 second. I'm just gonna take a couple minutes and make a phone call real quick. 1 second. Okay, it's just about finished. It's just doing a code review and validating everything. Yeah, it's just running through a couple more fixes before it finishes up. 1 second, everybody. I'll show you these changes. Okay, it's finishing up. Okay, 1 second, everybody. Okay. They could have made the avatar a little better, but no complaints. This what we added. You can see actually, physical fitness, mental intelligence, emotional fitness, but you can see the different category and stats. Yeah, my flexibility is definitely at a zero. Oh God, that's crazy. That's what a crazy coincidence. My balance is great though. I don't know what the hell they talking about. I'm joking. I'm joking. This is just sample data. This is all. This is sample data, but this is funny as hell. Um, Power 28%, power 33%. Yeah, this is great. This is cool. Strength, speed, endurance, vitality, agility. Yeah, this is cool. Community service, environmental stewardship. Um, yeah, this looks good. Okay. Activity logs. You can click on them now. You can click on the activity logs now. I wanted to fix that. Um, this has changed a little bit. This actually shows the progress of the active directives on the front of the sector. So I just made it a little more informative, a little better display. It added it added some things: beach, lake, mountain, school, library, store. This is great. This is good. I wanted more things. That's good. So it's better. It's a little better. Well, much better, but we can make it even better. But this is great so far. I really like this so far. Looks good. People leveling up, doing things. Maybe that, well, not maybe, but the avatar should level up as you level up. Yeah, that'll be good. Yeah, so this is fine for now. This is fine for now. My problem solving is not at a zero, and learning is not at a zero. But this is hilarious. Self awareness, communication. Dang, this what the heck? Why they drop everything so low on this? But anyway, this is crazy. But this is cool though. I like this. Oh yeah, environmental stewardship. Look at this: clean energy, recycling, restoration, education, and like if we develop a common like universal platform way to monitor and enhance everything, like our clean energy, like it, when things really get to how I want them to be, like you'll be able to just click on this and it'll take you to the greater good tech lab where you're actually working on clean energy. Or all these different things, you can click on it and it'll take you to the appropriate, relative, proper interface or platform to enhance it or engage, do whatever you need to do for that particular characteristic or stat. So that's something I definitely want in the future for sure. So yeah, this looks good so far. Um, I'm gonna go to the sports app now and check that out a little bit, and I'll just be going back and forth between apps. But just 1 second. Okay, this is the sports app, GG Sports, Greater Good Sports, the ultimate sports community platform. Oh yeah, I have to update the. Okay, I just put in a prompt to upgrade the login with the Replit authentication authorization to make it safer and everything. What are you talking? What is it saying? Let me understand how Replit off works. That I'm not. That should be something that you already know. It says it's a significant upgrade. Map map the users to our existing app users. Hmm. Yeah, so it's saying that okay, I need to handle and create bridge. Let me okay, so it was just it was saying there was already like users and a table and everything and a rep all um authentication and authorization like does its own like tables and everything. So it was kind of figuring out a way around not a way around it, but a proper way to do it. It looks like I just complicated things, but we'll see. Um, that's very annoying to be reading this, but whatever. It's probably nothing. I'm probably like looking into it too much, but like when I read things, I kind of take them literally. So, hold on one second. Okay, sorry about that, guys. All right. It looks like it fixed it. Let's see. It's just finishing up some stuff. Okay. No, I don't like that. Why did it do that? Oh God. I don't know if maybe it should take you right in. It takes you hmm. Looks pretty good though. Okay, let's see. I think I gotta fix that. Let's try this again. Okay. I know that's gonna be annoying for users. Hmm. Yeah, let me fix that. Okay, I put in a prompt for it to fix it. Let's see what it says. Hopefully, it doesn't break it or do anything crazy. Because it's trying to preserve the tables and how it was. Because I guess it had a bunch of sample data in there and stuff. So I understand it was trying to, I guess, keep that. Um, I was about to tell it not to worry about that, but I wasn't sure on my wording with it. So I just told it to fix it and hopefully it can just figure it out. But maybe I need to explicitly. Okay. It's going to just send them to the dashboard. I guess that's a good fix. Um, we'll see. I mean, that is a nice, quick uh, fix, I guess, but I'm just overthinking it. I'm thinking internally there's some Might be a problem, but it's showing me. Let's see. So it's working on a fix now. It's just finishing up. I'm gonna test it out and show you guys. All right, let's check this out, everybody. 1 second. Okay, so it did it. All right, it takes you straight there. All right, cool. So that was the biggest thing I really had to get down was when people click on it is the login is authorized, secure, everything's good. Most mostly all the features I want is on here. Um I just got to start testing it now, which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the courts and start testing it. Okay. Yeah, this is the Who's Got Next queue. Live queues, claim your spot, know when you're up, when you're trying to play a game, who got next, it'll tell you. And you can join the queue and everything. And click on the players and look at their stats. Right here, do their stats and points and stuff. So I need to do the Replit authentication login with the Greater Good app also. We can take a look at that. So yeah, the sports app, however, this sports app is just this app is for people who play sports, who love sports, and it'll show you who's playing around you. You can join a game. It got the games, so you can join a game or create a game and have people join it. You can have your team, create a team, add players. You can challenge teams, challenge players. There's leaderboards for the stats and everything. There's different accounts, players, coaches, referees, scouts, trainers, um, and fan for the different account types. There's different account types for the fit whatever uh, whatever need or whatever you do in the sports community, whether you're a player, a coach, a referee, scout, trainer, fan, or scorekeeper, whatever role you are, um, I got something for you. So this sports app I'm thinking is uh going to help out with just the whole experience of playing sports, and it enhance it and enrich it, make it much better, and we can have much more of a better idea of who's who and who's good and all those great players that went missing that never made it. We can kind of make up for that, have an app where nobody gets lost and the best that's out there really actually make it. So these apps, the sports app, the Greater Good app, the Level Up app, and later on the Mirror World app is all about just helping people and helping communities in the world, and um, getting people to be the best they can be. And I figure if you do that and have everybody working together on different platforms, then prosperity and longevity and happiness and everything will exponentiate and go up in multitudes, a million percent, you know what I'm saying? So that's what I'm aiming for. That's what I'm trying to do with these apps. So this is the Greater Good app. And this app is a community based app which will allow people to better their lives in the communities and neighborhoods they live in, and people can come together to solve problems and create opportunities. So I'm going to edit this. I'm going to add the Replit authentication login, and mm, I'm going to probably maybe add some features or tweak some features. So I'm just doing a Replit auth login and the master admin account to manage and monitor everything. And I'm trying to see what else do I need to change on here. Hmm. Well, we'll see after that. But all these apps they're not the best, but they're looking okay. Okay, I put the prompt in. Let's see what it says, and hopefully it makes the changes for me real quick. I have block cleaning to clean up neighborhoods and stuff. I have the tech lab to work on inventions and technology and projects and stuff. The contractors to advertise themselves to get things done. Uh, okay, so with the contractors, projects, uh, okay, yeah, sorry about that. It's fixing the app. That's why I did that. But basically, with the projects and the contractors, I want the contractors to be shown. I want the contractors to be able to go into projects and set their price and advertise and stuff. So, um, when this Greater Good app comes back up, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay. So right here under projects that people are trying to get done, you got the funding progress. People be crowdfunding to get it done. What I'm saying is contractors should be under here too for whoever is going to do the contracting job, who's ever going to do the contracting job and actually, complete the project. So contractors or participants involved. And then what we can actually do with that, everybody that's involved, if it's crowdfunded, maybe not maybe, they're going to get, of course, they get the final product of the project being done, but payments, benefits, something, it should go to them as well to keep things going. What I'm trying to say is I want to try to it's kind of impossible what I'm trying to do here, but I don't even care. I'm going for it. But what I'm trying to do is have a like self-sustaining net plus surplus producing like ecosystem with everybody in their communities and all over the world. Like if we can crowdfund everything, like If a community or a person needs something really important done, we crowdfund it, and then somehow everybody benefits off of that in a surplus. Like, I'm trying to figure out some way. It kind of doesn't work because like the law, one of the laws is like you can't get something out of nothing. But that's what I'm trying to do. It's crazy, but I'm going for it. Maybe it's a way we can do it. I don't know, but it's all for the greater good. It's for a good purpose, I promise. But we're gonna try it out. So contractors and participants involved. Let me So let's try here. Okay, so it should be back up. Let me try this quickly. Um okay, I'm not seeing the login though. Like what's going okay. Okay, I guess it has some more work to do. But I'm not even seeing the login and everything, so I'm not sure if it forgot that crucial step or what. Sorry about that. The app is fixing, is updating, so that page went out. Sorry about that. Where's the login page? Crazy. The heck? So it's still working on a few changes. I'm gonna give it another prompt to add the contractors and participants to the projects. Um, we should be pretty much good to go after that. I'm thinking the block cleaning. So where do we actually trash bags, gloves, grabbers, litter picker, aprons? So I'm gonna show you guys in a second what I'm looking at. I think I need to update the block cleaning and stuff. Like the items you would bring and you need for block cleaning. I don't really see a way you can like click on it and like actually change the numbers of your inventory of what you have or change the progress of the blocks cleaned. It shows the progress, but it doesn't. I don't see any way of managing it, manipulating it myself. So I gotta check that out. So I'm gonna let this finish up and go downstairs and play with my nephew for a second. I hear him fussing, and he always brightens up when I go talk to him. So I'm gonna just go say hi to my nephew. I'll be right back in like a couple minutes. Okay, I'm back. He was down there laughing and smiling. We're all good. I don't care. Show me the login page. Like, stop playing with me. I think I forgot the login page, everybody. This is hilarious. Hold on. I know that doesn't seem possible, but like, I'm about to test this. This is hilarious. Come on. Yeah, it goes straight into the app. It doesn't have the login page. It's showing me the admin account it made. That's great. All that is great, but no, bro, it gotta have a login page for the users. Crazy. What the? Oh god, I can't wait to try to test this. Like I'm dying over here. This is hilarious. I'm waiting for it to finish so I can try it. Yeah, okay. All tests passed. Sure it did. Let me get to the now. If it works, I'm gonna be salty, but I don't even care. But I'm looking at it. I don't think the login page is there. I really don't. It keeps going straight to the dashboard. Yeah, use the sign in with their replit, yada yada yada. Let's see. Okay, it's not letting me log out. Exactly. What is this? Okay, 1 second. Just gotta tell them the prompt. All right, I gave it the prompt. Let's see what it says. Because it wasn't letting me log out or nothing. Like I seen the master admin account and all that, but I know that'll work, so I'm not worried about that. This is login. This is crazy. Yeah. Now I have the full picture. I need to create a login landing page. Yeah, wow. I wasn't crazy. A small victory for myself. So the idea behind the community jobs is just trying to get everybody employed or doing something meaningful and purposeful to help themselves and their community, and everything will be okay. Like everybody has something to do. You don't got to hang out in the corners and get in trouble, get in a bunch of street beef. Just promote a healthy, strong community. I mean, if you're gonna hang out, just do something, post security or help with bags, clean up. be a guide to somebody who's lost trying to get somewhere. Like if you're gonna chill there, like we can still make it productive. Ain't nothing wrong with hanging out and enjoying life, absolutely nothing wrong with that. But just all the violence and danger and craziness, we need to kill that off because we're meant for more than that. We're meant for so much more than just some petty violence. Okay, this is the landing page for it. Okay. So this is I got that done. It's worked. That's great. So happy for it. Sorry for talking all that crap on you. Okay, the block planning. Um no, the projects and the contractors. Showing the contractors and the participants involved in the project. All right, actually I might already have that. Hold on. No, can't click on it. Participants. Well, that's funded participants for funding. But I was talking about more for like getting a project done, like laborers. Um, so contractors and let me see, create project, funding goal, name, location, category. Like people need it. Okay, this is a lot that I'm trying to do. I might want to hold off for this feature for now. Well, I definitely want, let me try it. I definitely want the contractors and everything on the project. This, Okay. I'm just prompting it now to make some changes. I'm gonna have the contractors and like people, volunteers, workers needed. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the block cleaning. That's what it was. Like if you go to block cleaning, if you click on it and go right here, it says supply loadout, squad members. Okay. That's fine, I think. But supply loadout, block progress, and what to bring should be customizable, drop down menu, clickable, everything manageable. So I got to fix that. Supply loadout, block progress. What's another word I need? Functional. Uh, okay, I'm finishing the prompt. This is a large feature set. Let me break it down, build it systematically. Let me first understand the current state of the relevant code. Yeah, I gave it a pretty big prompt. I told it to upgrade the projects and contractors feature so they can be shown on one another, and add the volunteers or participants or people needed for the project, because some projects are different. Some projects require other people to be needed. So I want the contractors to be shown on a project, and also the ability for users to vote for which contractor they want to do the project. I added that, which I thought should have been on there, but maybe we'll figure that out. Also, the supply loadout, like this right here, the supply loadout, the what to bring, and the block progress. I want it all clickable, adjustable, manageable, so we can monitor the progress and everything we have live and as it goes. And what to bring, like gloves, sunscreen, and water bottles, snacks. I don't want it just typed in with commas. I want it you can click on it and and choose it, select it. So just make it the best it can be. So yeah, I mean this has great potential. Um, this has great potential if we could get, like the block cleaning, the technology, the community jobs, like everybody working, everybody doing good, like we're making things, like we're helping, we're growing food. Oh my God, I don't have the growing food. Yeah, the growing food feature. To coordinate and network and organize and get as many people growing as much food and the best quality food as we can. And my best friend is working on that as we speak. And uh, that I gotta add that feature right after this. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. Yes, the food growing feature. Get that down. Yeah, this is gonna be amazing. We can do this. We can do this, everybody. I promise you, like we can do this, like for sure. Like this is about to get crazy. I want to see this food growing feature. I mean, I wish I had more viewers because I think all of this is really exciting. Um, like the potential of it, but it is what it is. But this is gonna be crazy. Like community jobs, like everybody got a job. Nobody's worried about struggling no more. Like we come up with a system, a way where everybody's good, because there's always going to be bad stuff happening. Like we can't get around that, so let's cut out as much of the BS and negativity as we can. Like is we're going to be stuck with it. We gotta worry about climbing and asteroids hitting us and destroying us. Like, yeah, seriously, seriously. We don't need to be running around trying to fight over stupid resources or stupid money, and like we need to just come together because we're floating around a giant ball of fire in the middle of nothing with asteroids and meteors flying by us that could destroy us. Like if that's not scary enough, like come on. Like, like seriously, like our problems, like they say the sun is going to burn out. Then what are we going to do? Like I think God got us. I think God, I think it's more like I'm hoping God has us and He'll keep the sun burning forever. But if not, then like this is we gotta evolve and move and get another sun. Like we gotta upgrade, keep it moving. So we got to come together now and get our ducks in a row now. Like I'm really pushing for this. We have to do this. Like seriously. Yeah, I don't got no problem with no human on this planet because a human is like an ant an ant to me. We're ants. Like we got to worry about the really important things. The longevity of the human race. Like not polluting the water and destroying the planet that we live on so we have somewhere to live. Like we got to take care of this for sure. They say man can't destroy the world. We're not powerful enough. God's watching and all this, but I don't even want to come close or try or dare it. Human stupidity can achieve miracles. I don't even want to go there or try that out. Nuclear bombs. Oh, we survived? No, I don't want to go through that. It's just updating the app, going through the prompt I gave it, just finishing up on some changes. Just be a little patient with me.
Okay, let me tell you something. To the women that give it to their man on the regular, understand the process. Yes, we understand the process, right? So if our man is going to work in the morning, 9 times out of 10, we are going to make sure he is on empty. Yes, we want to drain our man. All right, you are not leaving up out of here with a full sack. You see what I'm saying? And shit gonna be loose as a goose. All right. I'm gonna give you an example. This morning, I woke up and just ate something. You see what I'm saying? Time to look at my husband. I said, listen, I gotta do work. He said, yeah, something. Which means he knows what I'm about to do. He knows it's about to go down. It's about to be pound town on this motherfucker before you leave out of here. Because again, you are going to be on empty when you get out of here. See, I feel like when you have intercourse in the morning before your man go to work or even yourself, you don't have a great day. All right? If the intercourse is great, you should have a great day. You know, I just want to have a great day. And I want to do the same. You see that?
Sorry about that. Okay, I think it's finished with the additions. Let's check this out. 1 second. Hey, I got caught up on my phone, like scrolling. This is crazy. Oh man. Okay, so we have block cleaning. Okay, it made the changes. Litter pickup aprons. You can adjust it. Grabbers. Okay. Add supply. Okay. Block done. Okay. It has the block, the waste on the progress. I need more adjustability with this though. Um, okay, it's I like the supply. The supply is okay. The blocks and the what to bring needs to be upgraded. Hold on. Okay. Okay, what else? Yeah. Sorry about that, everybody. My sister needed me for a second. Oh yeah, what to bring? Is there anything else that's an upgrade? No, I'll just do that for now. I got the prompt done. I'll just put it in. All right, so yeah, we can clean everything up. We had a tech lab, the contractors, projects, fund details. Okay, sorry, man. The app went down because it's doing the changes. I wanted to check out those projects and contractor changes. I don't think it completely did it right, but we'll see. 1 second. It's finishing up with the changes, everyone. And I'll show you all in a second. Okay, projects, details, people needed, contractor proposal, submit bid. All right, people needed. Where's the... Yeah, I don't see the one for volunteers or workers or people. Everything else looks fine. Let's go to the block cleaning. What's it bring? But you can't click on a block progress. You can't click. You can't click on a block progress and update it. Okay, I like that. Okay. Okay, it's going to make the changes for the block progress, and then we should be pretty good to go. But I like this right here. When you select everything you need, it adds it right here, and you can select your quantity. So that's good. And we can update this some more later at another time. The reason I switched to the sports app is because it's changing the Greater Good app. I'm pretty sure it's going to crash out soon. Yeah, it's finishing up with the prompt I put in and the changes for the block cleaning, the block progress. It's just finishing up with it. Shouldn't take too much longer. Okay, it's finishing up with the changes. It's testing it. Okay. So let's check this out. Block cleaning. What's to bring? Block progress. To cycle. Click any block to cycle its status, and it's not cycling. All right, I gotta fix this 1 second. So yeah, back to the bigger picture. We'll be able to clean up and work on technologies and have projects and have contractors and bid and vote for the right contractor and fix up our communities and have everything we need. We really will. Okay, it's fixing the issue for me. Shouldn't take too much longer, everyone. Okay, let's go to block cleaning. All right, it's working now. We got it. It's working. Okay, good. Okay, so this is a good start. Well, it's not the start, but this is some good progress. Took a step forward, probably a couple steps forward, because we got things done on all three apps. So I'm about to get off and stream here for a little while. I hope everyone has a great and fantastic day. Shout out to my daughter Asira. I love you so much, baby girl. Wish you the best. See you soon. And hope everyone takes care and has a great day. All right, everyone, take care.